Today I'm doing a Barbie makeup transformation, but despite what I look like, I'm actually not doing Barbie, I am transforming into Ken. We've all seen the previews now for the Barbie movie coming out next year, and I love Ryan Gosling, but I personally don't think he makes the right Ken, so I'm gonna see if I could transform into a better Ken doll. For today's look, I'm using my Mehron paint palette, eyeshadow palette, Pros-Aide prosthetic glue, Elmer's glue, and colored hairspray. So while I'm waiting for my eyebrows to dry, I figure I'd talk about my own history with Barbie. So I was always like a Bratz kind of doll person when I played with dolls, but I actually was like very interested in like collecting like little figures of like animals and dinosaurs and stuff. But I definitely did play with Barbies, and when I did, I was so into like cutting and styling their hair. And of course, it never really came out that good, but I always had to put my own twist on things, and I think that that's something that I still notice about myself today. It's really starting to come along. Not there yet, but it's getting there. I'm starting to see the vision. Sometimes I panic and I'm like, is this gonna turn out? But I think that it will the more that I build on it. And also part of like transforming into a man is just like also embodying that like too good for you kind of attitude. So by the end, I will feel that, and I think that that helps sell it. But also I'm working with my own hair instead of a wig, so I gotta keep adjusting that to get the right balance. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I think I humbled myself with this one because I still think Ryan Gosling makes a better Ken than I do. You know, male transformations are actually really hard without the beard, I've realized. It's like so dependent on the contouring and whatnot. But I think when I use the face, when I sell the face, it definitely helps. And I think I did a really good job of like the Adam's apple and the chest and all of that. So yeah, you know, this was a tough one, I'm not gonna lie. But I had fun doing it, and I still think it's a very dramatic start to finish look. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time.
Hi, my name is Joe. How are you doing? Do you know where my protein powder is? Thanks for watching. Be sure to comment any other dudes you want to see me transform into. And follow me on TikTok at artist Jody Steele. And Instagram, also at artist Jody Steele. Rock on, dudes. Oh wait, sorry, Barbie's calling me. I gotta go pick her up in my convertible sports car. See you later.